Morning guys, so just arriving in Hendon. It's a seized asset repossession, BMW M2 I think it is, 2021 plate, should have a bailiff with it. We're about 4 minutes away. Yeah, see you in a minute. Right, so I've just arrived at the job. It's this little road here to my left. I just noticed on my tracker app that Harvey is at work painting and decorating. He's up there on that scaffold working with his boss on a job. So yeah, happened to be just round the corner from him. Right, let's pop down this little side road and see if we can see our BMW 2 Series with a bailiff with it. It's there. I am gonna spin round, I think. Thanks, buddy. Let's turn around down here. I'll pull up next to it. It'll be on my right then. Hazards on, block the road. Everyone's going to get upset. So it's not an M2, it's just a 2 Series. Scuff down there on that front bumper. There's all my legs down. Let's get this up. Huh? Did I not see you? I can see you, you're right there. This is the point they realise the car is going to go, so they need to make the payment. They are going to pay. So we put it back down. Yeah, not sure how much they owe, but they're going to have to settle it in full. Got to wait like this for a minute while he takes the payment. As soon as the payment's gone through, I'll put it back down again. So the bailiff's just given me the thumbs up that they've paid, so to put it back down again. Right, lifted, paid, put back down, job done. Let's move on to the next.